Hello everyone, this printer is HP MV6122E. What I want to do is to show you how to print documents from computer with this printer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your laptop are connected together via a wireless network. You need to connect the printer to a network by going to the menu, then scroll down, go to the settings, select settings, then go to network, then select Wi-Fi network, and it will show you that the printer is connected to Wi-Fi network. If it's not, then you select Wi-Fi setup, then follow the instruction and set up the printer. After that, the Wi-Fi light will be steady blue color. So this printer is connected to Wi-Fi network. Then we're going to add it to computer. So go to laptop start, go to the settings, then select printers and scanners, then add a device. It's going to search for available printer HP MV6100E series printer and scanner. Then select add. It's connecting. Will show you installing and ready. So you need to wait. It's now showing us installing. Printer is now showing us ready. To print documents, select File, File Explorer, then go to Documents. Then you can type the document name. So type the document name, select on the document, double click the file to open. This is the document. Want us to print out 2-page document. To print it out, select print icon on top or select Ctrl P from the laptop. Then go on the left side, select correct printer and make sure you can see HP Envy 6100 series ready. Then you select number of copies. Want to print 1, layout, portrait. We want to print all page. Select the color. We want to print in the color. Print on both sides. We want to print on both sides, long edge. More option. Scroll down to select the paper, A4. Size, 100%. Quality, 600 dpi and 1 page per sheet. Then select print. This document is printing. This is the document we printed out, two-sided. Another method to print document, we're going to print using HP Smart App. So this printer, go to your laptop start, then go to Microsoft Store. Search HP Smart App. Select on the HP Smart App. Install HP Smart App to your PC, then open the app. So this is the printer and ink level. This is HP Smart App. Once you connect the printer, then you can add a device. If the printer is not available, it will show you add, or you go to the left side, select add. Add/set up a printer. If you select on it, it will search for available printer. And this is the printer. Then you select on it. To print document, then you select print documents. Supported document file type, then you select OK. Then go to the left side, select documents, type the name of the document, select on it, then select print. Then you wait for the document to attach. This is 2-page document. Then select print on one side. We want to print on one side now. And also select more settings. We want to print orientation, portrait, A4 paper, and the color. I want us to print it black and white, grayscale using black only. Borderless printing is on. You can select borderless printing on or off, then select OK. Then select print. This is the first page, printed in black and white. This is the second page. So these are ways to print documents with this printer. Thank you very much indeed.